Welcome to Craig's Gun Channel. In this video, we're going to cover the Phoenix Arms HP22 target barrel. In prior videos, I've covered the development and field strip procedure for the HP22 pistol, as well as how to modify the safety to allow it to function in a more standard fashion. In this video, I wanted to cover an additional modification you can make to this pistol, and in this case, it's a factory option, which is the target barrel. The HP22 comes standardly with a 3-inch vented rib barrel. However, an optional 5-inch barrel is available as well if you purchase the slightly more expensive range kit. This kit also includes a locking case and cleaning kit. For just a little bit more, they also have the deluxe range kit, which includes both the 3-inch and the 5-inch barrel, locking case, and cleaning kit. The 3-inch version is the one that you'll most often see, as it's the least costly version produced. So what do you do if you already purchased the 3-inch model? Well, luckily, Phoenix Arms sells the target barrel separately, and it comes with an extra magazine with an extended finger grip. While the magazine still holds the standard 10 rounds, the extra control offered by the extended grip is nice, and in typical fashion for Phoenix Arms, it's a very affordable option that you can order directly from them online. They even offer the locking case and cleaning kit separately as well, so you can put together your own deluxe package, one piece at a time, which is what I did. Let's take a look. And you can see here we have our Phoenix Arms. This is their deluxe locking case for their HP22. There's the lock there. It comes with keys. So I'll go ahead and unlock that. And then it just has the typical little catch on the front. That opens up. There's our lock section there. And it locks into this aluminum block that's molded into the plastic case. So it does keep it fairly secure. Of course, in this case, I went in and got the cleaning kit, so it comes with the cleaning rod. There's some brushes that it comes with right here. It comes with some patches and a little thing of oil. So go ahead and take a look at our pistol. Now, of course, before working on any firearm, you want to make sure it is free and clear of any ammunition. So we'll go ahead and lock our slide back. We can see our chamber is empty. Now we can take the magazine out. The magazine is free and clear. So we're safe to start working on the pistol. Now, you can actually leave it in this configuration to remove the barrel. You don't have to fully remove the slide to take the barrel off. If you recall, this is of course, the slide lock there. And when you pull the slide back, you can lift up on that, and that holds the slide back. That also will allow the barrel to be removed, be able to pivot up. This is the lock assembly here that holds the barrel onto the firearm, and you would just simply need to push forward on that. Now, it is under spring tension, and the spring is now compressed because the slide's back, because that's also the recoil spring. So this is a little bit hard to push, so you might need to kind of set it down, and then with your fingers on either side, kind of push down. But once you push down on it, or forward, then the barrel should be able to lift up, and it comes right off. Now we have the 5-inch target barrel here. Of course, it locks in the same way. It's got the same lug that engages into that metal pin. And then it's got the front section that locks into those little teeth right there. And of course, when you push forward on this lever, it makes those teeth, it basically just makes them, it just withdraws them so that they unlock from the barrel. So all you need to do is get your new barrel, put it in so that that section there locks onto the pin, and then just pivot it down. And it will automatically lock into place. It'll push the teeth forward, then make sure they lock back, and make sure the barrel is locked in place and won't leave. And at that point, you're assembled. Now, occasionally, this might not fit real smoothly. Depending on the tolerances of your pistol and the barrel that you get, it might be sort of just out of tolerance with each other. And so it might not go in even. And if it does, this might really rub on it a lot. So if that's the case, go ahead and take this back out. You can see here where it's already shiny, where from the factory, they've smoothed that out. And right here, on both sides, all those where it's a lot shinier, that's where at the factory they've went ahead and filed that down and smoothed it out to make it to where it should fit. It should drop right in. Occasionally, like I said, however, they don't. Your pistol might have tighter tolerances, or maybe they didn't get it smoothed out enough. If that's the case, you could very gently see where it's binding, and whether it's on the side here or wherever it's at, and then very gently with a file remove a little bit of material and do it on the barrel, because you don't want to change your firearm because the firearm was already working. So this is the new part we're putting in. This is cheaper than this, so do any changes to this. So you'd remove just a little bit of material, then you'd test fit it, and you would keep doing that until it locks into place. You shouldn't have to do that. As I said, these should be a drop-in fit. However, I have had on occasion on working on these in the past where I was putting a barrel in and it didn't want to go in, so I did have to fit it a little bit. It shouldn't take much, and this, material removes a lot quicker than what you think it would. So just make sure that you just very gently just want to remove the barest minimum of material necessary. If you don't feel like you're going to be competent to do it, by all means, take it to a gunsmith, and they probably won't charge very much to do a procedure like that, because it is fairly simple. However, if you don't feel comfortable doing it, by all means, take it to a gunsmith and have them do it for you. So, we'll go ahead and put our new barrel in. And we're all back together. Now, the barrel also comes with a magazine with an extended finger grip. The magazine capacity is still the same, it's still 10 rounds. However, the additional finger rest there, or grip, does make it more comfortable to hold the pistol and to shoot, and it gives you a little bit more control. So, there you go. Once I put the new barrel on, I took it to the range. Okay, we'll go ahead and reload and take some more shots. I'll try off the sandbags to remove part of the me factor and see if the barrel does any better. At the range, the reality was that I'm not really sure it adds that much in the way of accuracy. The sights, while having 2 inches longer in sight radius, which should help, are still not exactly target sights. But you do pick up 100 to 150 feet per second in velocity, which may be helpful. So in the end, is it worth getting? If you're wanting to have a finely tuned target pistol then probably not. The accuracy really is not improved by that much. It would be better to use that money toward a better pistol if that were the case. This is not a knock on the HP22. They're actually surprisingly good guns for what they cost, but that qualifier is still there. A better quality gun will provide better sight options and construction, allowing it to be more accurate. However, if your goal is to just improve the accuracy and/or velocity a bit, or if you just like the look of the longer barrel better, it's hard to go wrong considering its low cost. It's the cheapest barrel upgrade I've ever done. I hope that this information is of value, and if you liked the video, I would ask that you hit the like button and subscribe if you want to continue to see more like this. At Craig's Gun Channel, my goal is to remain objective and honest about all the opinions I express on the items I feature. I do not receive payment from any of the companies whose products I cover, and I would ask you to please consider supporting the channel via Patreon or by purchasing CGC gear from my website. Links are in the description, and I appreciate your viewership. I value your comments and feedback, and as always, until next week, stay safe.